Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new RST TracTech Evo 4 leather mesh jacket. All right, we have the TracTech Evo 4 leather mesh jacket on the site right now for $209.99. This is an incredible value for a hybrid jacket that features leather in all the impact zones and mesh in the areas where you really need it to keep you cool on those hot summer rides. It also features a removable, windproof, waterproof SinAqua liner. I have that in the coat right now. It only changes the fit just a little bit, so you know. 5 feet 11 inches tall, 200 pounds on the money, 33-inch waist. I'm wearing a size 44 US or 54 Euro in this coat. I get a good, comfortable fit right out of the box. It wears really light because a lot of the chassis of the coat is that mesh lining. This is going to be perfect for those hot summer rides for riders who are looking to maintain the protection offered by a leather jacket, but really need the cooling that you find with the mesh variants of the motorcycle jacket. When I see this thing, I see riders like in Southern California. Texas is a hot spot for sure, where it's just really hard on a hot summer day to wear a leather jacket. This gives you a viable option that keeps the protection where you want it, but gets the cooling where you need it. CE certified armor in the elbow form, soft shell, also in the shoulder. This jacket has a pocket that accepts the CE certified RST back protector insert. We have those in order. They are not here as of this moment when we're shooting this video. I hope that changes very soon. We did find a reasonable alternative. The Icon D30 Viper insert in size medium fits right in this coat. We'll show you that in the second part of this video. You can find that in both the Icon armor section of our website as well as the RST section of our site. It's still very affordable and it's a great complement to the armor that's already found in the coat. Got some external shoulder slider right here. Volume adjustment in the bicep area is done with leather and Velcro. Volume adjustment here at the cuff is also done with leather and Velcro. Volume adjustment at the waist is done with leather, Velcro, and a D-ring. 2 external storage pockets, zippered hand warmer style here. Massive mesh panel on the back of the coat for ultimate cooling. We have 2 internal storage pockets. The one on the left side has a zipper. The one on the right side in the liner is just a slip pocket. Obviously, the one on the left is a great place to put your smartphone to keep it safe while you're riding. If you like what you see so far and you want some more details, stay tuned for the second part. We're going to take this off, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, the TracTech Evo 4 leather mesh jacket from the inside out. This jacket ships with a fully removable SinAqua, waterproof, breathable, of course, windproof liner. This is the brand that they use for, waterproofing, windproofing. It has a reasonable level of water protection as well as breathability. Okay, and this is nice. It's a nice addition for those cooler days, right? Obviously, this jacket is meant for hot weather. Okay, maximum airflow while still having a strong measure of both impact and abrasion protection with the leather and the mesh combination. You're going to get those early season rides and those late season rides. Right now, we're getting to that point in the season where, God willing, it's going to cool off a little bit at some time. And it's nice to have this, to just toss it in the jacket. It just takes the edge off, right? And then let's say the day warms up, you start early in the day, just take this thing right out. You can ball it up and easily put it in the trunk of your bike under the seat, not a problem. Armor included with the jacket. It's included CE level 1 certified armor in the elbow and shoulder area, right? It's moldable, flexible, comfortable, low profile stuff. The jacket has a pocket to accept the back protector insert. The RST insert is currently, as of today, and you want to check the website, we don't have those available. So what we wanted to do is find a reasonable alternative. The D30, the Icon D30 armor, the Viper in the size medium slides right into this jacket, and it's an excellent complement to the armor you're already going to find in the elbow and the shoulder. Okay, so look for that. It is in the RST category, very easy to find if you choose to add that. We are working on bringing in the inserts as we speak. Focusing on the jacket itself now. This is just a kick-ass leather mesh jacket, right? This is right for the rider who you want that protection that a leather jacket offers, but you really need the cooling that a full mesh jacket offers. When I look at this, I see Texas. I see California. Those riders, you know, that just, man, going full leather is tough, especially in the summertime. Large mesh panels here in the back. Got some leather inserts, leather trim around the waist of the coat. Actually has leather stretch panels, leather across the top of the neck here, reflective screen printing right there. This mesh feels super robust. They've got some buzzwords for it. We're not going to use those, but it feels really robust and strong. You have the leather in all the impact zones. Volume adjuster here at the waist is done with leather Velcro and a D-ring. Integrated shoulder protector, right? That works in concert with the shoulder armor to really bolster protection in that key area. You can see the shoulder here is leather all the way down. Screen printed RST logo reflective there. Screen printed logo here, and the logos are really subtle. You can barely see these in the sunlight. It's kind of cool. So all leather here in the forearm. That's definitely an impact zone to hold everything together. They've ran the strip of leather down the sleeve. Get to the front of the coat. Leather around the waist, up in the pockets, up into the chest, spanning across the chest with the RST logo screen printed. It's got a nice, robust main zipper, volume adjustment up here in the bicep area, volume adjustment down here in the cuff. That windproof, waterproof liner actually in the cuff area zips in and zips out, which is a nice touch instead of the snaps. Neoprene lined collar for comfort. It's got the little leather tab here to protect the tank on your motorcycle from the zipper. 2 external storage pockets, hand warmer style with zippers. Inside we've got a nice mesh liner. Here's the pocket for the back protector. This will zip to any of the RST pants. So say you want to put this with the TracTech Evo 4 leather pants to have yourself a nice 2-piece riding outfit. You can do that. To access the elbow and forearm armor, zip this pocket open right here. You're able to reach up inside of the jacket between the inner mesh and the outer shell of the coat and get to the armor. Zippered storage pocket here on the left side. Got a slip storage pocket here on the right side of the coat. Leather lined here at the collar. All in all, what do I think? I think this is a great jacket. Once again, at the price we're offering this at right now, it offers tremendous value. You can compare this to coats that easily sell for double what this one sells for. Great coat at a very fair price. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.